This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted your regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned. Hey, what happened to the sirens?
Tom, what the hell do you think you are doing?
Oh, nothing much. Say, nice weather today?
Tom, why are you airing an emergency action notification? Nothing is even happening.
Oh, come on, Paul. Nothing beats an awesome April Fool's joke.
Are you out of your damn mind? You do realize that you could cause mass panic, right? I mean, doing this as some stupid April Fool's joke is crazy.
Oh, come on. I didn't mean no harm. I just wanted to make an epic joke. I swear to God you can be such a buzzkill.
A joke? A fucking joke. The only joke here is you. So why don't you take your dumb ass and march right out of this office?
What is going on in here? I was walking past the office and I heard you two pestering each other like you always do, so I thought I'd check it out.
The son of a bitch right here thought it was a great idea to get on the air and pretend they're an emergency as some stupid April Fool's prank.
Suck it up, dude. It was only a joke.
How about you take your joke bullshit and shove it up your ass?
How about both of you leave this office and I'll take it from here?
Fine, but I'm not done with you yet, Tom.
Whatever.
I'm really sorry about the inconvenience, everyone. Normal programming will now resume.